Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with auction.com for foreclosure and auction acquisition, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the auction.com website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is active, log into the platform. Familiarize yourself with the site layout and available features. Navigate to the Foreclosures section to explore available properties. Use filters to refine your search based on location, price, and property type. Click on individual listings to view details such as property descriptions, auction dates, and bidding specifications. Take note of important dates and auction timelines for properties of interest. Review the property's title report and any available inspection information. Determine your budget, including potential renovation costs and bidding fees. Register for specific auctions by selecting the corresponding option on the listing page. Follow the prompts to provide any additional required information for registration. Verify your payment method to ensure you can place bids. Stay informed about auction updates by enabling notifications on your account. Participate in the auction on the scheduled date and time. Monitor the progress of the bidding process closely. If you win the bid, follow the instructions provided to complete the purchase. Prepare to finalize the transaction by arranging necessary inspections and financing. Once everything is in order, execute the closing process as per the instructions provided. Maintain records of the transaction for future reference and legal documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.